Hello mates, this is part 2 of our epic journey. We're going to see what's going on. Honestly, I didn't get that much sleep last night because the Snore-asaurus is just going wild. Oh, he's still here. And I've made the fatal flaw. The Snore-asaurus got into some food. He was eating a little pizza last night. And he's still wild. Oh man, look at this. This is how the Snore-asaurus likes to drink. It takes his pup and it pours it into a saucer so it can eat it like a little kitty. Hey, Snore-asaurus, how you doing? How you doing? You okay, buddy? Did you have a good time? Looks like you ate some pizza last night. Yeah?
For real. Let's get ready for this shit.